Now, student, can you hear me? Hear teacher voice? Okay, students, now. Now, everyone, wait for a moment.
ชอบปลาขอ
โดนเก็บโดนด่าเขานั้นที่ร้าน
มากแล้วแล้วว่าฟังไม่ได้
Okay. Everyone, Mina, Grace. Anna, please turn on your camera, please. Mina, open your camera, please. Now, everyone, put your hands together.
I'm
Follow
open the
teacher.
camera now.
Okay. Wait for a moment. Still some students not coming. Put your hand together. Follow teacher. 上午好，老师。Okay, now teacher won't use this one. Okay, now students, now please open your book. Turn to page 22. Now teacher now will turn off your microphone first. Now student, now you cannot speak now, teacher. Everyone, please open your book. Turn to page 22. 22. 22页. 22页. Now, student, can you see the slide? If you can see, raise your hands up. Okay, now you can see now. TT Rod, open your book. Turn to page 22. Now, everyone, now teacher now. Yes. Now, don't have now printer cannot scan. Teacher your phone to take photo of books. Now, student, please open your book. Turn to page 22. 22. 22页. 22. Everyone, please look at the slide. The teacher checks. Now, today our topic is now. What day is it today? What day is it today? Now we translate the topic now word by word. Sleepy? Now, everyone. Now, what in Chinese is 什么? 什么? Now look at teacher. Teacher asks you, what's this? Now in Chinese way is this is what? This 这 is 是 what 什么? Okay, 这是什么? What in Chinese is 什么? 什么? Now look at teacher. What's this? 这是什么? Clear? This is a calculator. Right? This is a calculator. Now, 这是 calculator. Clear? Now, the first one, what? 什么？什么？ Now, teacher will write down here. 什么？ Our teacher will write down the pronunciation here. The first one, oh, here two small place, right? Down here. Now, the first one, 什么? Now, everyone look at the pronunciation. Tell teacher which vocabulary the first two words begin with sh. Tell teacher. Anyone. Teacher, turn on your microphone first. Tell teacher. Now, which English vocabulary the first two words begin with sh? Shoes, right? S-H-O-U, right? O-E, shoes, or share. S-H. How to pronounce S-H here? Air, shoes, right? Shoes, share. So we only pronounce S-H sound. It's and pronounce N, shen, shen, here, shen. The second one, M. Tell teacher which English vocabulary the first word begin with M. Now teach for anyone, anyone. Make, right? Make, M-A-K-E, make. How to pronounce M here? Make, right? 么 什么 clear? 什么 means what? What's this? This is a pencil, right? This is a pencil. 这是 pencil. What? 什么 clear? Day, 天 1 day, 2 days, 天 clear? Now it 是 I am David. 我是 clear? David. I am TT Rod. 我是 TT Rod. I am Pine. 我是 Pine. Pelentana. Look at teacher, please. Don't play. Pelentana. Nina. Open your camera, please. Okay. Now, today. 今天 clear? Now, what day is it today? What day is it today? 那今天是星期几？星期 week. Okay. Now we put the file aside. Everyone, please open your book to page 23. About the new words. Everyone, now you also can look at the slide. The first one is movie. The first one is movie. Movie in Chinese is 电影 after 电影 dog. Now, everyone. Wait for a moment. 电 means it's the first one, dog, right? Dog, which English vocabulary the first word begin with D, dog, right? D, E-N, dog. Now only pronounce D sound. 电 after 电 why? Yes, right? 音 after yes, 音 电音 right? 影 after third tone. 电影 Now the middle one we call it pinyin. Pronunciation. Now you must know how to read pinyin. Here, the first one is 电影. 电 means electricity. Here, now we charge our phone. Now use electricity, right? We open the light. You have light. Now we also now use electricity. 影 means movie. Here, 影 means movie or shadow. Now the second one, 星期 星期 means week. W-E-E-K. 星期 星 means star. Star. 星 sorry. Star. S-T-A-R. Right? Star. Star in the sky. Right? Star. 那七 means date. Date. Now put together means week. Okay. Week. 星期 Now as I now that English don't have this word, you must know in your mind. Mark in your mind. Now 7 7 right? Q pronounce 7 7 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 7. Okay. 星期 means week. Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, Wednesday. Oh, sorry. Now Thursday, Friday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Okay. Now we use now 星期一 1, right? 星期二 Tuesday, 星期三 Wednesday, 星期四 Thursday, 星期五 Friday, 星期六 Saturday, 星期日 Sunday. Not more easier than English, right? More easier than English. Only 星期 Monday 1, 星期二 星期三 星期四 5, 星期六. Only the last one, Sunday, is different from English. Is 星期日 okay, or 星期天 okay. Today 天 day 天. Now this one we put aside. You know how to write Chinese character from 1 to 10. Now teacher, turn on your microphone first. Now student, now do you still remember how to write Chinese character from 1 to 10? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Did you still remember how to write Chinese character from 1 to 10 in Chinese? Now last year teacher gave you assignment and exam. Now we practice, right? How to write number from 1 to 10. Everyone look at the now screen. The first one, E. Now pronunciation is Y-I. Now teacher taught you, right? Oh, now teacher right down here. O, E, U, U, right? Now I pronounce E. Now Y pronounce yeah, right? We find English word begin the first word begin with Y. Yes, right? Yes, or yellow. How to pronounce Y here? Yeah, right? Yellow, right? E, join together. E. How to write it? R1 view, right? Fine. Now students, now please, now look at teacher. Han, please look at teacher, stop eating now, later eat. Now, Mina, open your camera, please. Tonkala, open your camera, please. R1, the first word, now Chinese character E is very easy to write it. Now R1, please look at teacher, look at the screen. E is a sleeping line. E, after E, now teacher writes down one more time. Now teacher more thicker this one, E, after is very easy. It's only a sleeping line. After R. Now the real pronunciation is but we pronounce R more easier, right? Two sleeping line. Remember the first stop is shorter than the second stop. Okay. Now 1, 2. It's very easy, right? 1, 2. Now number 3, sun. Now S. Now we find words begin with eyes. Now soul, right? So which one easy is more easier? How to pronounce S here? Soul, right? Soul. Now an join together. Soul and sun, right? Soul sun, right? Sun is more easier. Only 3 sleeping line. But remember, the middle stop is shorter than other stop. Okay, now everyone look at the screen. 1, 2, 3. Okay, this sun. Because last year teacher taught you now how to write Chinese character from 1 to 10 because it's very easy. Even the exam teacher also give you this question. Many students now finish all, get full points. But maybe you forgot now. This is Chinese character 3, 4, 4. Still now S. So right? 4, 4. Now here E pronounce okay. Remember E have 2 pronunciation. One is E, one is 4, right? Now how to write it? Everyone look at teacher's slide. Standing line 1, 2. Remember there's only 1 stop. 3, 4. Now the last stop join together. 5. Only 5 stop making arc 1 Chinese character. Now teacher erase. Teacher will write down 1 more time. Please follow teacher. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This Chinese character 4. Are clear? Plantana, stop playing. Don't play sanitizer. Tonkla, Grace, open your camera, please. Grace, Mina. Okay, now number 5. Now W, right? W now how to pronounce in Chinese? W. Now we find English word. The first word begin with W. Now, but we don't have W. This one with now. Weir, right? Weir or walls. How to pronounce W here? W here. Now, weir, right? Walls. Now, U, A, W, E, U, yuan, U, right? U. Now, walls. U. Now join together. U, right? Now, Wu. Okay. 5. Wu. How to write it for the teacher? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now teacher erase. Now write 1 more time. Please look at teacher how to write it. Look at the teacher stop. 1, 2, 3, 4. Are clear? Number 6, Leo, how to write it? Now, L, how to pronounce L in English word look? L, look, right? Now, EU, right? E, A, W, E, U, E, U, join together, U, look, U, now join together, Leo. Are clear? Leo means number 6. Now how to write it? Now R1P, look at teacher. How to write it? Now 1, sleeping line 2, 3, 4. This one very easy, right? Only 4 stops. Now teacher will erase it 1 more time. Please look at the screen. Look at teacher. 1, 2, 3, 4. Are clear? Now this Chinese character, Leo, number 7, Qi, Q, right? Q, teacher taught you, right? So when you now saw the Q, when you see the Q, now you got pronounce 7, Qi. Okay, Qi, Qi. Now how to write it? Now more easier. 1, 2, right? Only 2 stops. 1, 2. Now teacher erase 1 more time. 1, 2. Clear? Remember here is a small hook. 1 more time, teacher erase. 1, 2. Clear this one. The second line, the first one is number 8. Ba, ba. Everyone look at the B. Now we find English word. The first word begin with B. Book, right? Book. How to pronounce B here? How to pronounce B sound here? Book, book, right? How to pronounce B? Book, right? Now, join together. Ba, ba. Clear. Ba, ba. Now, how to write it? It's very easy. Only 2 strokes. 1, 2. Clear. Now, only 2 strokes. Now, don't join together. Okay, don't join together. If you join together, means 人 person. Clear. Now, look at teacher one more time. 1, 2. Clear. Don't join together. Join together means person, 人. This means 人, person. Another one. If you write like that, it's another word. It's 入. 入 means enter. Enter the room. Clear. Now don't join together. Don't join together. Now teacher write down one more time. Okay, look at teacher. 1, 2. Clear. Now it's very easy. Number 9. Teacher now tells you, right? Now or jar, right? Now how to pronounce G here? Jeep, right? Eo, eo, jiu, 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 right? Eo, e, our, e, u, yuan, u. Now join together. Eo, eo, jiu, jiu, jiu. Jiu means 9. How to write it? Look at teacher. 1, 2. Finish. Only 2 strokes. Only 2 strokes. Now one more time. 1, 2. Remember this stroke is only 1 stroke. Are you clear? Only 1. Now our Chinese is different from Thai. Thai usually write number, write character from the bottom to the top. Like that, right? Wrong, the teacher does not. But we write Chinese character from up to the bottom. Clear? Now one more time, look at teacher. From up. 1, 2. Clear? The last one, SH. Share, right? Or shoes. 日, 时, 时. You cannot hear, cannot pronounce E, right? 西, don't have, right? We pronounce 日, 师, 老师. Clear? 师, 时. How to write it? It's a cross. It's very easy. 1, 2. It's very easy. Wait for a moment. Grace, Tongkla, top employee, Siren Yang, Mina, turn on your camera, please. Teacher use tool, now device. Can see you. Tongkla, Siren Yang, Cha, Sint, turn on your camera, please. Tongkla. Clear. Just from 1 to 10, how to write in Chinese. Clear. And our teacher. Now I know how to write Chinese character from 1 to 10. How about 11? 11 in Chinese is 11, right? 11. How to write it? 10. Now teacher change one color. 10. Teacher use red is more easier to watch it. 11. Clear? Now 12, 13, 14, right? You can write down here. 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Are you clear this one? Only plus 10, the cross in front of the word. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Now when 20 means 20, right? 2, you just remember directly. 2, right? 20. Now 30, 30, 40, 40, 50, 50. Clear? Now 21, 那就是 and then we speak 21. Clear? When you write 20, everyone look at here, please. 20 clear 20 you just run together. Now when you should write 21 in Chinese is 21. Now 3 words, 2 1 word, right? 10 1 word, 1 1 word, only 3 characters. 21 clear 21 22. When you pronounce the word, you must write all characters. Clear 24. Now we've got 22 22 21 22 23 24. Now 25 25. Clear. Now 25 means 20, 20 plus 5, right? 25. Please now read all words. Clear. Even the zero. Clear. Now 26 27. Oh, sorry. 27 28 29. 30, how to read it? 30 30. Clear. 30 and then 31 31. Clear. Only 2 words you must write tiny characters. Clear. Now everyone, now this is now how to write character from 1 to 99 99. Now 40 40, right? 40. Clear. 40. Now 0 10. Now 41. Now only write down here 2, right? Now 50. Clear. Now 51 51. Clear. Now 52 53. You need to write 3 characters. Now 60 60. Clear. And then 61 61 to 69 69 70 80 90. Now 99 means 99. Clear this one. Now until 100 100. Now year 3 teacher will taught you how to write 100. Now R1, please open your book, back to your book, turn to page 23, the new words. The first one 11 11. 11, right? 11 11 11. Clear. Now not read English. Now you only write Chinese, read Chinese word 11, right? 1 immediately 10 plus 1 11. Clear. Now 12 1 2 12 2 12, right? 12 12 13 13. More easier than English, right? Plantana, stop playing your feet. Clear. Follow teacher. Now only 10 minutes left. Now 14 1 4 15 15 1 5. Clear. You must read the word directly. 10 10 5. Clear. Digital number we use 10. Clear. 10. Now 3 digital number we use 100. 百. Now 16. Clear. 16 16. Now 9 17 18 19. Clear. 19 20 20. Now the pronunciation, the pinyin part, you must know how to read it. Teacher taught you already. Now about Chinese character from 1 to 10, you know how to write character, right? Now after 10, you also need to write. It's more easier, right? Tongkala, turn on your camera, please. Mina, look at teacher. Everyone, look at the number 3 part. Pronunciation, pinyin. Mina, are you sleeping? Mina, look at teacher. You cannot teacher cannot teach you like that, right? Everyone follow teacher. Everyone, the first one, N join together. N. Okay. N A-N put together, we pronounce N. The second one, N join together. N. Okay. N. Now E-N pronounce in. Okay. Now this is more easier, right? N. en, in. Clear this one. Everyone, please open your book, turn to page 24. 24. The first question is right. Now please follow teacher. We write together. Now you just copy the word into the blank. Please write the word in the middle of the blank. The first one, and now please write down here. Now teacher use the red marker right on the paper. Okay. Now the first one in your book. Now the first one, page 24. Page. Lock. Page. Oh, why this one? Page 24. Now please follow teacher. Now the first one, copy on your book, please. AN. Now please write down here. AN. And now AI. Join together. I. Clear. I. Chanya Park. Now page 24, the number one question, please. Now copy the word in the blank. The second one, I. Okay. The second group, now EN, we pronounce N. Join together. N, please copy on your book. N. We pronounce R. Now exactly we pronounce R, right? R. We pronounce have R sound. Now please follow teacher. R. Now the same sound is ear, 耳朵 after R. Now the last group is EN, pronounced in. Now please write down in the form, in the blank. The last one, EU, EN, right? EU. Clear. Now everyone look at follow teacher. The first one, RN, pronounced N. I. Now E pronounced EI. Now this one we join I. Teacher find the English now is now English how maybe don't hide this one, right? AI pronunciation EE. Now mention means here E have this pronunciation. The first one is E. The second one is HI, right? The last one is R. Remember E have three pronunciations here, are clear? Now the second one, EN, R, 耳朵. The last one, EN, in, EU, are clear? Now please copy on your book. The second question, now teacher need to help you. Fill in the blanks with the correct finals and mark the tones. The first one, what is that? This one. Now teacher. The first one is scarf, right? Scarf, SACARF. Now this scarf in Chinese we call it 围巾. Now teacher write down here 围巾. EA pronounced AW, wear, right? 围, right? Jeep, in, jin. Now please write down answer EN in the blanks. I, N, and put the tone mark, the first tone mark. Jin, 围巾. Clear? 围巾. Now the question is now good because without teacher any hint, you cannot finish the question on your own. Clear? Now the second one, 围巾 means scarf. The second one is tank, right? Tank in Chinese we call it 坦克. The same pronunciation, right? Tank, 坦克, TAN, 坦克. Top, an, tan, right? Keep, right? Keep, 可 坦克. Please copy AN on your book and put the tone mark. 坦克. Clear this one, 坦克. The same pronunciation tank, right? We translate now pronunciation directly. 坦克 tank. Now, PK study teacher, we finish this question first. The number 3 picture is snowman, right? Snowman. In Chinese, we call it 雪人,雪人,雪 means snow, snow. Up here, 雪 means snow. 人 means person, person. Up here, 人. Oh, sorry. Person. Person or people or man. 人 how to write 人 1 2 up here 8 joined together we call it 人 up here 人 means person. R root, right? Root or sorry. Now teacher change another one. Ruler, ruler. How to pronounce R here? R sound here. Ruler, right? Ruler. En pronounce N joined together. 人 人 up here 人 En please copy on your book please 人雪人 Now we have 1 minute left. Now Arwa, this one are you finished? Number 3 question you need to finish on your own. Up here teacher don't have time. Now the first one, combine the initial and finals. It's very easy, right? M initials, M P initials, G initial, in finals. You just run together, combine initial with finals. Up here and fill in the blank. The first one, M I N, right? Put the tone mark. Place the tone mark. Min or make, right? Make more. In min. After the second one, P, we find word put in pin. After 击 in 紧. Now if you not finish, we finish next week. After now you just join together like this one, 整 本 很. Now, if you cannot finish, now please we finish next week. After now, time's up. Now, teacher, now R1, time's up. Put your hand together for the teacher. 谢谢老师。老师再见。Patarapu, later I will check your book next week. If you not finish now, Now goodbye. See you next week. Bye bye.